So here is the knife all finished up. We got a nice close look at the show side scale, which I'm really happy with how this thing turned out. And there's still a little bit of towing oil on there, but that'll wipe off easily. And as you guys saw from the customization part of the video, I ended up gluing the Sqaure to the original scale. So I thinned it down on the CNC just to make it a little bit thinner. That way the finished scale isn't too thick, but I matched it up to the same thickness as the original. I basically copied the frame lock side, used it as a guide to get it looking the same. So really pleased with it. The hardest part was doing these chamfers in the back, since actually I'll give you guys a better look on the frame lock side. As you guys can see right there, it goes around the recessed area for the hardware. That was a little tricky, but I just used my thinnest Dremel drum and just took my time and made sure to copy it to the exact as the other side. So a little challenging, but got it done, and I think it looks pretty good. And then I gave the blade a fresh sharpen. I didn't really do anything else. I did clean up the internal since it was a little gunky, but not an issue. And that's pretty much it. So let's put this in together and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is all assembled. I'm really happy with it. Again, this Odino is just a really simple and clean design. It actually inspired my logo. Didn't copy it exact because I didn't want to do that, but did inspire my logo. And I actually do have one myself. This is my own personal Odino, which I will be customizing here pretty soon. As always, let me know down below what you guys think. And the action is still great on this thing. It doesn't have a steel insert. There's just a hair of lock stick. It's the same on mine as well, but just really smooth action. It is riding on bearings, and let's show it all opened up. You guys get a good look at that. I do wish the original scale was black, but the green actually looks good with the Mexican blanket. And one thing I forgot to mention is I did clean up the hardware, give it a nice satin finish, just so it really pops against the Mexican blanket. Again, really pleased with it. As always, let me know down below what you guys think. And I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for the support. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one.